Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Naomi, and today we are going to be making some detox juice, the best drink you can serve your stomach. We are going to be using cucumber, ginger, celery, and some lemon. Now remember, when you're taking this juice, it has to be in the morning before you eat anything. Then you serve your stomach this delicious juice, and in the night, 2 hours after your dinner. I'm gonna start off by peeling my lemon, cutting it into pieces. These are the pieces I want, and I'll cut everything into big pieces because I'm using a juicer, and depends what you are using. If you're using a blender, maybe you will need to cut them in smaller pieces depending on the machine you are using, if you're using blender or if you're using a juicer. Now my juicer can take these big pieces. We made our juice. It looks good. I really love the color, but it makes a lot of foam. So before it reaches here, you really have to sieve it, because I remember the first time I made the juice, I did not sieve it, and it wasn't good. So you really need to remove all the big particles in the juice, and then you have it like this. And some people remove the foam and some don't. Yeah, I normally remove the foam, and I transport my juice into a big bottle and then the smaller bottles. I have 5 small bottles, so I always fill them, because in the morning it's faster for me to just grab a bottle instead of taking a big bottle and pour in a glass. I prefer these small ones, and I really love my juice really cold. I don't like warm stuff, warm juice, not warm stuff. I do drink coffee and tea, but I like my juice really cold. I like the color, the rich color of green. It's very attractive. Yes, and don't forget to like this video. Please leave a comment. I'm going to be making more of this healthy juice videos because I'm trying to lose some weight, and I hope you'll be interested to follow this journey. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye. Take care of your stomachs.